Ever wondered what the difference is between carpentry and woodworking? While they might seem similar, there are key differences. Let's break them down. Carpentry focuses on building structures, like framing houses, installing doors, or making cabinetry. Carpenters usually work on large-scale projects, often in construction environments. Woodworking, on the other hand, is about crafting detailed pieces. Think furniture, decorative items, or fine joinery. It's usually more about precision and creativity, often done in a workshop setting. While both use wood as the main material, carpenters typically work with heavy-duty tools, focusing on strength and durability. Woodworkers tend to use more specialized tools for fine detailing and finishing. The end goal of carpentry is often a functional structure, like a building or framework. Woodworkers aim for a finished, polished product, whether that's furniture, art, or other crafted items. So, while both carpentry and woodworking involve working with wood, the scale, tools, and goals set them apart. Carpenters focus on construction, while woodworkers focus on creation. Which one interests you? Make sure to subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone if you want to learn more about woodworking, carpentry, and everything in between.